Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a true want to a true need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also beside that button a bell. It's called the notification bell, and I recommend that you press it. The reason being, it's something I use and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. What ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if it's something you want to watch right away, you simply press on the picture and it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you missing out. So that's what the notification bell is for. Everything is free. It's just these things that no one ever talks about, and I want to make sure that you know about it as well. All right, today is a day that I got in the mail a package from IPSY, and I was very surprised because I've already still have been waiting for the IPSY glam bag, but I didn't get any tracking information on it. But then I remembered I did get some tracking information, and this bag was way too light for it to be the IPSY glam bag for the month of May. Then I remembered what I ended up doing is during the date when we did the customizations, right after you do your customization choice, a separate page comes up and it's called the flash sale. And if you guys are familiar with my channel, you know that when I did that video during my customization, there was a lot of problems on the IPSY website. So there was a lot that was freezing, and it was showing hearts and everything until I was able to get even my customization choices in. I always like to film that for you guys. So finally it started to work and I was able to film the first part of the customization. And when we went to the second phase, because after you do your choice, a second page comes up that they call the flash sale. And those products are usually, they have some duals for $5 or bundles that you won't see anywhere else. You won't see it on the shopper and you won't see them on the add-ons. So it's really it's smart to take advantage if something shows up there that you want, because you will not see those type of combinations of how they're selling it anywhere but the flash sale. So if you were part of my channel at that time, it was the first time that when I went to get into the flash sale, it said oops on the IPSY website. So I continued talking to you guys, and I thought it would clean itself up like it did earlier in that day in reference to how I did my customization, but it never did. So we ended up the video there. Later on in the afternoon, I went in because it was still saying that I was able to go into the flash sale. So I decided I'd sit down and do the video of all what was available in the flash sale for you guys. I tried to do that all in the one video, but we couldn't do that because the site wasn't working. So when I went in, there were a lot of products that I already had, but there were two that intrigued me. But there was still a problem on their website, because normally when you click on the picture, you're able to get more information on the product. And I like clicking on the picture to get more information because I do have a lot of products, and there were two products that I was looking at, and without being able to go in a little bit further, I wasn't sure if there were products I already owned or already tried. So I had to just go by what the title was on the first page. So I figured I would take a gamble for the $5, because with lip products, I always enjoy, having to be able to try a couple of extra lip products. And when it's 2 for $5, you're spending like $2.50 per lip product. It said in the title that they were going to both be glosses. I'm a gloss girl, so I love it because I can wear glosses on their own, or if I have a matte lipstick on and I want to not for it to be so dry, I'll add a gloss on top of it. And especially during the whole liquid lipstick phase that everybody was going into, I find those very, very drying. I love the fact that they last all day, but I find them very drying. So if I can have a gloss with me, I always like to have that I can wear on top of it. So for me, glosses are fantastic because you could wear them on their own, or you can add them to as a topper to any of your other lip products. So that was why I decided I would do that. And I also wanted to see how the flash sale came, because they said there was no extra shipping charges, but from what I was able to understand when I read the fine print, it was going to come on its own. I've only gotten add-ons, which were always in the box, as well as my points. If I ever had points that I redeemed, those also showed up in the box. So the flash sale was the only time that I saw something shipped separately, as well as when I bought something from the shopper part of IPSY. If you're not familiar with the shopper is a fantastic place to get great deals too. So if you don't get anything in the flash sale, the shopper every day, they add products to it at 9 a.m. Sometimes it's bundles, sometimes it's just one product, but the prices on there are phenomenal. So I've gotten a lot of things from the shopper, and I got that on its own. So to me, this ships very similar to when you buy something from the shopper. It came on its own. The two products that I got for $5 are full-size products. And it's funny because a couple of times I bought some lipsticks from the add-on part, and they ended up being really small sample sizes. And sometimes when I buy from that same spot, I end up getting a full size. So I didn't know what size I was going to get for this, because like I said, I couldn't get into that second screen that was going to give me more information on the product. So I just went by them saying it was 2 glosses, and they're not glosses at all. So the first item that I received was from a brand that I'm new to, which is called Super Glazed, and it's in a lip cream, and it's called Half Caked. That's what the product looks like here. And I'll have to open it up to see. Maybe the name is, no, the name of it is called Slight Work. That's what it looks like here. And I'm gonna give a swatch to it so we can see what this is all about. But I don't think this is gonna be what I thought it was gonna be. So let's do a swatch of this here. Yeah, it's not a gloss. It truly is a lip cream. So it's in between a lipstick and a gloss, but the color is bang on for me. So that I'm really, really happy about. So this one, like I said, is called Half Cake Super Glazed, and it's in Slight Work, and that's what it looks like here. And then the other item that I received was from Raine, and Raine's packaging is just beautiful, and I have never been disappointed with any Raine product that I have purchased before. And this looks like it's in the color 24/7, and it's saying it is a matte lip paint. And like I just said before, I'm not a huge fan of matte lip paints. However, when you need your lipsticks to last all day, if you do trade shows or you're at work, this might be something good. So I'm going to check the color out on this one, and I just wanted to show you up close how cute the packaging is on this. I cannot believe these are full sizes. So I got these for, like I said, $2.50 each, no shipping or anything like that. So I'm going to do something. I'm going to see if I can put, no, I don't think I'm going to. Okay, this here is the color here. So to me, that's more of a fall shade. So if I'm going to use it, now would be the time, or it's going to sit and wait a few months until I can enjoy that again. So that's what that color is here. I was hoping it was 2 glosses. I would have even been happy with 2 lip creams. But like I said, this is what they're calling the matte. What I was thinking was if I put this up on top of that, if that would make a difference, and it doesn't. So let me just show you what I did. So I thought maybe if I put a little bit of the lighter color above that, if it would change anything. And all it did was probably make it more emollient than dry, more creamier by putting that on it, but it didn't change the color at all. So this one here is the color Raine in 24/7, and that one is the Sugar Glaze in Slight Work. And like I said, I paid $5 including the shipping, and it came on its own. And if we ordered these probably a few days before the end of the month when we get our, or the third week of the month when we get our choices, where we get to do customization, and it came in you know, during the time that your bags arrive. So really, really happy about that. So I think it's a win. So if you see any of these products in the flash sale, I think it's an absolute win. These two for $5, I think is an absolute steal. That's what I love about IPSY. I think they give us access, besides these fantastic bags with great products, you also have access to other products at great deals. And I'm gonna now try 2 brands that I have not tried the products in. So I think that's a win-win. All right, if you're enjoying my content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It's really important for me on the YouTube platform. The more thumbs up that I receive on my videos, and that's available right underneath the video that you're watching now, you will see a thumbs up area. If you simply press on that, the number will change, and the more that that number gets bigger and bigger, YouTube will then take that and choose to show my videos to other people that watch similar content but haven't met me or my channel yet. So I really appreciate that you guys can do that for me when you watch my videos, or if you've watched previous videos, you can go in and simply hit the thumbs up. I think that's absolutely fantastic. I would also love you guys to leave me a comment if you got anything during the flash sale, and if you knew that it shipped separately. If you've ever tried either one of these and what your feedback is on them, I would love to know that as well, because in my comments, I would love, and I do enjoy, that other people share their experiences, be it positive or negative. It's important because that's how we all learn. We learn from each other. And if I haven't tried the products, but you have, it's the same thing as if you were sitting in front of the camera. If you leave it in the comments, we all get to read and share. All right. Once again, everybody, thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it with me. I want to make sure that everybody continues to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.